How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can combine your STL files with Bambu Studio merge object. So the first thing that you want to do is to simply add your STL file. Just click on this specific icon, and from here you can then open up your own STL file. So I have a simple STL file right here, which is going to be this simple cube. And if you want to simply merge the objects together or the STL files together, you can then select the original STL file or the first STL file, right click on it, and then you have multiple options. If you want to add part with the other STL, you want to choose this one. If you want to add the negative or modifier, you can then simply navigate to that specific option. But in my case, I'm going to add something like the add part. Click load and basically just select the other STL file that you want to merge with this one. And so from here, of course, you can move this the way you want to by clicking on move, and then let's move it this way. And basically from there, you have successfully merged your STL files together. Now, if we do something like selecting the STL file, they will basically be selected together. And so we have successfully merged both of these files right here. And so guys, if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.